like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo.
Annyeonghaseyo mga ka-anyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about BTS Jimin and Song Daeun. Only here on Annyeong Chika Update! BTS Jimin and Song Daeun sparks dating rumors once again. It's been 2 years since the dating rumors started between Jimin and Song Daeun. The rumors has resurfaced once again after Song Daeun posted several photos and videos that seems like having a personal connection to Jimin. Song Daeun has previously denied the allegations having ties with the BTS member, but netizens couldn't help but to piece together evidences that they may have a romantic relationship. Media outlets in Asia tried to address these rumors to Big Hit Music, but the agency neither confirming nor denying the allegations. That's it mga ka-anyong. What can you say about the dating rumors of Jimin and Song Daeun? Comment your thoughts below.
Ayan, then please like and subscribe sa Anong Sayo TV ko.